G'day from Australia. Here's my Radio Diddy GD77, and you can see it's got an elastic band around it. It's actually got sticky tape holding it too, and that's because I'd accidentally dropped it and the little clip at the top of the battery broke. And what happened was I put it on the desk like this and it bumped and fell and hit the ground. And I'm sure we've all experienced that with handheld radios. And I'm using a stand-up desk too, so it had a fair bit further to fall. So interestingly enough, the elastic band works quite well, and it can even charge with the elastic band as long as it doesn't go across the points at the back. So how do you stop your radios from falling? Well, what I've made is the block. Yes, all it is just a wooden square block that I've sawn and put together, and then I can just put the radio in between overs. In fact, I can almost drop it in and it will not fall over. And you can see on the back here, it actually tilts and rests on the belt clip, and you can still see the display quite easily above the box. But I've tried to future-proof it as well, so it can fit wider, big radios, smaller radios, and what have you. Hence there's a fair bit of room there because you don't want to have to sort of slide it in like a charger. One option is to actually leave it on the charger, but they say leaving it on the charger isn't a good thing, particularly when it's turned on, and it's not good for the battery life. I think the batteries like to be discharged every now and then. So this works quite as well, and as you can see, you can still read the display quite easily above the box. So I've tried to future-proof it so other radios can go in. You can even put your phone in there as well. So look at that. I feel like I'm trying to sell it to you. And I suppose you could even plug a charger through the bottom there, and you could put a little hole or something out the side here where the cord could go through if that's what you wanted to do. So there we go. While I'm here, here's my Android device too. Still working in Zello there with my keyboard. You can see a bit more of that on my little website as well. But yeah, great way to get onto digital. Less than about $50 I think it ended up costing me, and I can talk on digital, which is fantastic. So there we go. There's an idea that you may not have thought of.